The oblique muscles are located on the sides of the waist and are part of the core muscles. There are the internal obliques and the external obliques. When contracted concentrically, the oblique muscles bend the trunk to the side and rotate the trunk. These important muscles can be worked by numerous exercises. Many exercises directly target the oblique muscles. In this, I mean that the obliques are the primary working muscles. Also, numerous functional exercises, multi-joint exercises, also known as compound exercises, will work the oblique muscles. A couple examples are deadlifts and overhead presses. The oblique muscles have to work hard to stabilize the trunk and the pelvis during those two exercises. What I'm going to go over today are several exercises that I have already done videos on that directly target the oblique muscles. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Donald Ozello of Championship Chiropractic in Las Vegas, Nevada. I am a doctor of chiropractic and a certified personal trainer. The first exercise I'm going to speak of today is an isometric exercise called the oblique plank. It is also known as the side plank. The oblique plank is an exercise that does not require equipment. You are on your side and you are holding the legs, the pelvis, and the spine in a straight line. This exercise directly targets the oblique muscles. The second exercise is a variation of the side plank, and that is the standing side wall plank or standing wall side plank. This version works best for individuals who have an issue getting up and down from the floor. Say if someone has a bad knee or a bad hip, they can use the standing wall side plank to strengthen the oblique muscles. The next exercise is a progression of the oblique plank, and that is the oblique plank lateral raise. In this exercise, you perform the plank, that is your starting position, then you raise and lower the pelvis in a controlled manner. This exercise will help to strengthen and develop the oblique muscles. Another progression of the oblique plank is the oblique plank twist. This exercise works the oblique muscles in two planes since rotation is added. This exercise will help to strengthen the oblique muscles and help to build stability in the core. The next four exercises are a variation of the oblique crunch. The supine oblique crunch is also known as supine heel taps or just heel taps. This is an excellent exercise to use in the beginning of your training when you have just started your core training. I classify this exercise as a foundational core exercise. And it is also an excellent exercise to use at the end of your core training routine called a finisher. The next exercise is the oblique crunch on the hyperextension bench. This is an advanced exercise that directly targets the obliques. The twisting oblique crunch on the hyperextension bench is a natural progression from the oblique crunch on the hyperextension bench. It trains the oblique muscles in two planes due to the added rotational components. The football oblique crunch strengthens the oblique muscles on an unstable surface. The balance component of this exercise adds to its effectiveness. The next two exercises are performed in a standing position with cables or resistance bands. The Paloff Press, also known as the AntiRotation exercise, is a unilateral exercise that directly targets the oblique muscles. The oblique muscles are contracted isometrically to prevent the trunk from rotating in the direction of the resistance. 3 hand positions are utilized. The 3-point samurai, also known as the double Paloff press and the double anti-rotation exercise, is a progression from the Paloff press. The resistance is bilateral. This bilateral resistance exercise builds strength on both obliques simultaneously. The rotation is resisted in both directions and 3 hand positions are utilized. These oblique exercises will build strength and develop tone in the oblique muscles. Please watch the individual videos I have made for these exercises. They will teach you all the fine little details for proper technique. The instructions are extremely detailed and you will learn how to perform these exercises properly. Again, proper technique is essential. Strengthening the core muscles obviously looks good, but more importantly, it improves overall function and helps lessen the possibility of the development of low back pain. Thank you for watching today's spine health video. Please see a medical professional to make sure you are healthy enough for exercise. You can work with a medical professional or a fitness professional to learn proper exercise technique. Viewing this video does not take the place of seeing a medical professional or working with a fitness professional. Never perform an exercise that elicits or intensifies symptoms. If an exercise elicits or intensifies symptoms, please stop immediately and find a viable substitute. When performing any exercise, always work through a symptom-free range of motion. When starting an exercise, always start at your current health, fitness, and strength level. Thanks again for watching today's video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I am Dr. Donald Ozello of Championship Chiropractic in Las Vegas, Nevada. I am a Doctor of Chiropractic and a certified personal trainer. The foundation of my training programs is overall general conditioning with an emphasis on spine health and core conditioning. These 2 cornerstones of my training will help individuals reduce injury risk and recover from injuries. If you are interested in living a healthier, fitter, more functional life, gaining strength, increasing endurance, and improving your functional abilities, please contact me directly. I will provide all the necessary information.